Hello guys, welcome to my Advent Tech channel. Today I am going to show in this video how to fix Windows Explorer not working on your Windows 10 and Windows 11. So before going to start the video, if you not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if your Windows Explorer or File Explorer not working on your Windows PC, then I will show you how to fix this issue. First of all, you have to right click on your start menu and you can see here task manager. Click on task manager. After opening the task manager, in this you need to find file explorer. You need to scroll down a little bit. You can see here Windows Explorer. Just right click on that and click on restart. After restarting Windows Explorer, just close this window and open the control panel. Just click on the search bar and type here control panel. Click on control panel. In this you can see if it is selected view by category, just click on that and click on large icon. In this you need to find file explorer. Click on file explorer option. After clicking this, in this you can see here open file explorer 2. It is selected as quick access. Just click on this PC. Guys, you can see here clear file explorer history. Just click on clear. After that, click on apply and click OK and close this window. After that, try the third option. Just right click on start menu and click on device manager. After opening the device manager, in this you have to find display adapters. You can see a display adapter. Just double click on that. You can see here, this is your display drivers. Just right click on that and click on update driver. Before clicking update driver, you have to make sure that you are connected to the internet. After connecting to the internet, just click on the search automatically for the drivers. After that, just close this window and close this device manager. After that, click on start menu. Try the fourth option. Type here CMD. Just right click on command prompt window and click on run as administrator. Here you have to type some of the command what I will provide in my video description link. Just copy paste from there. The first command is sfc space / scannow and hit enter. It will take some time. You have to wait for the complete this process. I am closing this window because it will take more time to complete the process. Again you need to open the command prompt window. Just right click on, just click on the start menu and type CMD. After that, here you need to type the second command dism space / online space / cleanup hyphen image space / restore health. After typing this, just hit enter. After typing this, you have to wait for some time to complete this process. After completion of this process, you just need to close this window and once you have to restart your laptop or PC. After restarting your laptop or PC, hope your problem will be fixed. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix Windows Explorer not working on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.